Hello, welcome to AI Application Development from the pioneers of creative education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit houses activities that introduce children to the world of artificial intelligence, where they use combination of web and software application tools to develop applications that recognize different forms of user input and respond accordingly. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses materials to train a responsive model, materials for building automation systems, hardware components of building automation systems, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. The AI application development activities in this kit enable children to train the machine and use programming to create an AI-based image recognition web app, AI-based web app with speech assistive technology, AI-based pose recognition web app, AI-based sound recognition web app, AI-based game and chatbot mobile app. The robotics integrated activities enable the creation of an AI-based smart home system. The AI application development activities enable the children to demonstrate the skills of understanding an app and recreating it, demonstrate an understanding of implementing probability, build the skills of developing AI-based apps that respond to different sounds of musical instruments, perform experiments to understand principles and phenomena, design models using eco-friendly resources, use programming to add interactivity, interact with the machine. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.